Hello, good afternoon, all my student. Today we will start our very new topic that is called area and perimeter. So now today we will go through the topic area and perimeter. In this topic, I will tell you how we will measure the land area of our own house. Okay. So this whole thing we will learn under this topic. Okay. So in this we will go through the first area is what do we mean by area? How we will use it, where we will use. So I can tell you that let's suppose if all of you will make a this kind of diagram. Okay, so in this kind of diagram, when we are going to replant some tree in it, okay, so this whole portion where the sand is present means here the sand is present, and in sandy area you are looking, I make like a crow but they are the grass. So here are the grass which you are looking on this area. So this is called area where the grass is situated. Now in this different kind of figure and we have a different kind of area. So here we have a this kind of figure. So it is called, because it has a 1 2 3 4 side, so it comes under the topic that is called quadrilateral. It is called quadri means 4, quadrilateral, lateral. If you will make this kind of diagram, this is called circle. This you have read in your earlier class also. So when it is a circle and this is a quadrilateral, so we have to start with our circle topic. So I will start to tell you about the area of circle. So here a new word that is called circle, and it contains a center. This is called center. Okay, so what they all will do to find the length of wire rotated along with it, or that area of circle, how they have found, what they have done, they put a nail over here, that nail, this kind of, they put a nail over here, and after that they just tied a rope in it, and after this rope, let's suppose this rope is 6 meter of length, and then what they have done, they have took the nail and they kept that nail here. Then after that, by using all nails through this point, they made a circle in it. Okay. After making this circle, what they have done, they have counted the length of the wire used in it. So this is called length of wire used in it. So this length of the wire is called circumference of the circle. This is called circumference. Okay, so circumference means boundary length of circle. So this boundary length, now the question arises behind it, how we will measure the length of its boundary. So its formula will be 2 pi r. So in this formula, the pi, this is called PIE, pi. It is measured by pi is this kind of symbol. So in this symbol, what the meaning of pi is 22 upon 7. So all my dear student, please learn the value of pi. It is 22 upon 7, and when you will divide like this, so it will come 3.14. I am taking the approximate value of pi. Okay. Now this will be the length of, or it is also called circumference of the circle. Okay. Now first is this formula. Which kind of question they will ask? They will ask you the question type 1. They will ask you, radius is 7 centimeter. How much length of wire is required to make circle, to make circle. This kind of question they will ask. So what you all will do, you will say to me, sir, since we are studying this area and perimeter, and always wire always on a boundary length, so what we will do, 2 pi r, it is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 got cancelled, 44 centimeter. So you can see, sir, the length of wire used in it, that is called 44 centimeter. So this is our first topic. Now go for next, number 2. So in number 2 we have to discuss the area. Now the area of this topic, that is called circle. What is the area? So see, this is circle, and this whole I am shading here like this kind of. So this shaded portion, this shaded portion is called area of circle. This is called area of circle. So what we have to do now, we have to find the area of circle. So actually what we have done, that rectangle area you have read in your previous class, length into breadth. Okay, so what they have done, they made this is, let's suppose this is circumference. Okay, so what I am doing, I am writing here this is, let's suppose, semi circumference. So semi circumference is pi r, and into this is, let's suppose, radii, this is length. So pi r square. So I am noting it down, that is area of circle, it is equals to pi r square. So please student, please learn this formula. This is called area of circle. So in this formula what we will do, if let's suppose in your paper they will ask you that they will ask you how much area of grass we use in field. Okay, what the question, what they are doing, they are taking the buffalo, okay, and they are leaving this buffalo into your circular field, and then after that what buffalo will do, buffalo will just graze whole of your grass. So if you will not have an idea that how much grass your buffalo has grazed, then how you will use that grass to grow for upcoming new buffaloes. So for that only, if you want to find area of grass when radii is 14 centimeter, then you will say, sir, 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. So sir, 7 to the 14, it will be 44 into 14 centimeter. So this will be the area of circle. So you can find by using this whole process area of circle. Till here it is okay. Now see the some exceptional of this, means which kind of question are coming in your paper. So in your paper what they will do, in your paper they will make us some different kind of diagram, means those kind of diagram in which they will try to make confused to all of you, means they are thinking that how you will do it. Okay, so they will do like this, they will make a square, and after making this square they will do like this. Okay, do like this and this and this. So this kind of diagram they will make, and they will say its each sides are 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and they will ask in your paper what the area will left. This is shaded area, they will ask shaded area. So shaded area, when they will ask, how you will find it? So what you will do, you have to first find the area of square, that area of square that I have told you earlier, that is side square. Then after that find the, see that this is 1/4 of a circle. So one complete circle, 1 2 3 4, these all 4 circle will join, you will find a one complete circle. So complete circle area will be pi r square. do subtraction area of square minus area of circle. So when you will do area of square minus area of circle, you will get the area of grass grazed in it. Have you clear about it? Okay, done. If any of you have a problem, you can ask me again. Okay, coming upon the next question.